Hey folks, I'm HP and this is Dr. Pink, and today we will talk about funky music. Opa. And the basics, how you play a cool rhythm guitar. Yeah, you're gonna learn the rhythm, the basic rhythm patterns which you need to know, otherwise you can play funk music guitar. And probably we're gonna do some cool moves with the music. So let's get started with this and let's throw back to the 70s or whatever. Good, let's get started. First of all, you can pick any chord which you like. I'm taking an A minor in this case, but you can take any chord which you like to practice this stuff. The one which is most convenient for you. The main thing is the picking hand. Two techniques with picking hand. Personally, I prefer finger picking because this way I can stay relaxed with my full arm, because you think about funk guitar, just need to know they need to hold the pattern for several minutes, and some kind of, I mean, you can do it the pick if you want, of course, but somehow I don't know, in this case just need to have a smooth movement that you don't really get stuck anywhere, you know, and that you really can hold it for several minutes, you know. Just try to do this movement here. This one here. And see if you can hold it for a few minutes in time with any kind of a drum computer or drummer or whatever. When you want to do my technique, I do like this. Down. I make this movement a little bit exaggerated. When I go down, I go a little bit down like this. When I come up like this. Down like this, up like this, with the fingernails. This is a way where you can stay totally relaxed in your hand. It's really up to you, whatever you want to do. I prefer this technique because it sounds more smooth and you can stay relaxed there. But it's not really necessary to do it. Now, first step is that you can play 60 notes on time. I have a little drum computer here on 80 BPM. So let's get started with exercise number 1. Just play 60 notes with the drum. And try to put the accent on the first of the 4. 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. The next step is we play so-called dead notes. Dead notes are, you play them, but you release the chord that it creates dead notes. And in this case, we play dead notes from the 16, the first one. In this case, we play the first of the 4 and the other 3 ones are muted or so-called dead notes. Now we play the second 60 note of the 4s. That will be like this. Now we play the third of the 4. What is a little bit tricky on this one here, I've personally found that one the most difficult one, is since your foot is going taka 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 taka. So when the foot goes up, your hand goes down. That's a little bit tricky on this one here. And last but not least, we have the fourth of the four. Once you've gone through this exercise, try to play all four in one row, like one bar. The first, then the second, third, and the fourth. That would be something like this. Yeah, some of you might have noticed that the third one wasn't totally precise. As I said, I think that one is the most difficult. So I didn't practice those for a long time. So don't worry, see, I also not perfect. Now we go to the next step and to the basic ones. The basic ones are, the first one will be like this. It's da, da, ga, da, da, ga, da. So da, da, ga, da, da, ga, da. Sounds like this with the beat. Pretty simple, isn't it? The next one is the opposite. The 16 notes are first, so da-ga da, da-ga da, so da-ga da, da-ga da, da-ga. Always remember the foot has to be working too, so sounds like this. The next one is a little bit challenging, is the first and the fourth or 16 notes. The middle one is 8 notes that will be like da-ga, da-da-ga, da-ba, da-da-ba, ga-da-ga, ga-da-ga. So let's go down, so up, up, down, up, up. Oops. The last one is you play the first one long and the last 16 notes is like da. So down, up, da, ga, da. That one is often used with a little gimmick like with a hammer-on thing, but basically it's da, ga, da, ga, da. And if you have difficulties to know where the second one comes exactly, play the 16 notes like 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's the first and the fourth. So let's see with the beat. Now to play a smooth or sophisticated funk guitar, you just can put those basic rhythms together in one block. As an example would be something like this. So it's all are parts of the ones which you have learned before. Wait. Now with the beat. Or you can play the 16 notes as dead notes. Whatever you want. But basically, that's it. Here comes the second exercise that would sound like this. Also taken from the ones which you have learned. Now you can play the 4 16 notes on count 2 as dead notes. Or you can play any of them as dead notes. Let's do it with the beat. Now here comes a cool one, all dead notes, but now a few of them are played. In the first one, the first and the fourth, second one, the third, in the third one, the second, and the last we have 2 8 notes. That would sound like this. Let's do with the beat. Yeah, these were the basic rhythms which work out on any funk funk rhythm guitar. Any funk guitar, any funk rhythm or 16-note rhythm is built up out of these basic elements. So if you know those, you know any of them, and you can play them, and you can take things apart and find out how you play the very specific part of it, and this makes you precise. And the main thing on funk rhythm guitar is that, and this is just going on all the time. Let's do it with the beat. Now a little bit faster. You can also just keep it going like this. Yeah, very cool. Now comes the hardest part of it, even for me, the dance. Funk music is dance music, so somehow you need to keep it moving. And all the thing has to be fluent. It's if you want to improvise the stuff, first you get into the beat. Let's do this. Move with the beat. First, just move to the beat, huh? And then play the 16 notes while moving to the beat and talking. Holy shit. See, it works. Now start improvising. I lost it because I was talking. The main thing is play it simple, just keep the 16 notes going and try to move to the groove. Move to the groove, yeah, baby. First do the basics extra. See, when I talk, I lose it. Yeah, that's the point. Get into the groove, move, and then just keep this thing going on, and you just pull out the basic forms which you have learned, and that's what it's all about. Yeah. Dr. Pink likes to do the dance. Me, yes, okay, I'm not the big kind of dancer. Yeah, when I go dance, it's because I want to meet women. And yeah, no. Anyway, that's how it is. Now, if you want to practice this stuff, you can use any funky thing. I have a funk backing tracks on Spotify or iTunes, HPCrazy funk backing tracks. Get that one if you want to do that one. Just pick the chord and do it, or whatever you want to do. And that's basically what it's going on. If you want to download the sheet music of the exercise, which I just show now, it's in the HPCrazy Students Club. Join there, it's for free. And link is in the description. And follow me on Facebook, on Instagram, Hans-Peter Krüsi. Yeah, these are my main social media accounts. Yeah. Dr. Pink, you want to say something? No, Dr. Pink wants to keep it on dancing. Yeah. Okay, see ya.